Winer Winer Chicken Dinner. We all crave for this phrase to now up on our screen as a mark of our victory. But ever wonder where this phrase originates from? Well, it actually originates from gambling. People during 1930 economic crisis, also known as Great Depression, gambled in the LA for money. If they won, that meant that they could afford chicken for dinner that night. The phrase catch on and was used in gambling in Las Vegas while and was also popularized by ESPN announced and the gambling movie 21. Real places. Even wonder why some places in the game look realistic, as if based on real place. Well, that because they are school located in Argonne is actually taken from infamous Charlie Russia shelter, and the underground bunker filled with surprise is actually based on the abundant storage of nuclear weapon at Feodosia, Ukraine. Russian art temple type structure which sites at the eastern side of Sandok is one of the most popular hot drop location on the map. It's actually based on the mountain of Dagestan, Russia, Snega, Poland, and the gray of the building parallel to the road is actually located in Slovakia province of Russia. The rarest item in the game is the virtual red bandana. When the game was launched, the item was bundled with pre-order and the item was found inside loot box. After a while, boxes either stopped or rarely featured the red bandana inside them. It was reported that a user bought the item for $100,000 US. PUBG holds the record for being the most simultaneously played of all time. The game hit 31,06,358 people played the game simultaneously. Interestingly, it actually broke its own record that is made in September that very year. 2.5x damage. Low on ammo but still want to make a kill. Aim for the head. Rifle and sniper can deal some heavy damage regardless of where you shoot. But a headshot deals 2.5x more damage than shooting any other part of body. Taking a headshot is though, and it is advised to be taken by a rifle or a sniper with heavy range of counter bolt drop, and to use the gun on single shot mode instead of press to reduce recoil and increase accuracy. Water shield. The water on every map, be it the sea or a river, can protect you from bullets. When in water you can't be shot. You can also heal yourself when underwater, and you can be as loud and messy as you want to be because of your immunity to bullets, but there a catch. You can only stay underwater for 15 to 20 seconds. After that you have to resurface to breathe. You can see how much time you have left underwater by looking at the set of lungs near the button. The best car. The Deca is the best car available in the game. It has great speed, mileage and protection. It's best for a team of 4 to make a quick escape or reach a spot quickly. It has durability, make it great for taking cover. Ever heard those footsteps and wondered that are those for? Well, the footsteps you hear actually represent the enemy close to you, and his position. PUBG utilizes 7.1 surround sound, so you can actually pinpoint the enemy just by their footsteps. The footsteps get louder when the enemy is nearby and fades away from you. They go away. It is advised to use headphones in both the ears for the best performance. The game got its name PlayerUnknown's Battleground or PUBG from the creator Brendan Green's game name, PlayerUnknown. He used the name in the arena in which he named his player first one as PlayerUnknown. He liked the sound of thus decided to name his game that too. 100-year ban. With players utilize unfair methods such as aimbot and other cheating software, PUBG Corp had to come up with some strangers. They are constantly work toward identify player cheating and also use other players reporting as a lead. Once a player has been reported multiple times for unfair behavior or cheating, PUBG places a ban on them for a certain period of time, usually for 3 to 5 days. But a Reddit user by the name of Becky101 posted on PUBG's subreddit a picture of him getting banned for 100 years. PUBG plans to containing this, reducing the number of players using unfair means.